What's he doing, dude? Aaron. Aaron, wake up, Aaron, dude. Hey, Aaron, you're snoring. No, seriously, you're snoring, dude. Oh my God. Are you trying to fight back, dude?
Kick him. Kick him.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tickle him.
Chad, I got you a chicken biscuit.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle.
I'll do that again.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
Keep doing it.
Seems like the tickling has subsided, the snoring. But can it continue? The Neanderthal is struggling to survive in the modern world.
The Neanderthal in the modern world, starring Aaron Pulaski.
As you can see,
What does he eat? I don't know. Whatever.
the beard has been trimmed for optimal angular eating frenzy.
He will have sex with anything, even a pillow.
All Neanderthals must rest.
Late at night is their weakness. You can attack them and steal their balls.
This Neanderthal is hibernating. A Neanderthal. What did you have for dinner? No answer from the Neanderthal.
Hey, let's do that game where that K Neanderthal. Do you want us to put paint on your head? Don't say anything. Oh my God, you didn't say anything. You would love paint on your face.
Neanderthal. If you don't want us to paint your fingertips, please let us know now.
No, wrong.
Good. We will paint your fingertips.
If you don't want us to do something stupid, don't say it.
The snoring has stopped, but it is only momentary.
Wait, check to make sure he's breathing.
Is he breathing? Oh, the Neanderthal wakes.
Chad, I got you a chicken biscuit. They're disgusting. I want to throw up. I want to just poop all over the sheets.
The Neanderthal sleeps. What prey must you kill today, Neanderthal?
Is it a mammoth? Or a chicken?
I am not being a great journalist because I am laughing throughout the whole segment. This Neanderthal has shaved his head, but not his beard. This Neanderthal snores. Neanderthal, do you put mascara on when you go fighting? You can see by the size of his ears, he is able to hear many things, but not when he sleeps.
What can you hear?
As you can see, his nose gets in the way of many things, including his inability to snore or sleep silently. But yet this Neanderthal loves lap dances. In fact, this Neanderthal took out some money out of the ATM today.
He got a hand job.
I don't know how much he spent, but he spent a lot. You can tell by his
Hand job.
You can tell by his face that he is very satisfied.
Hand job.
Mr. Jake says hand job, but I don't know what that means. I must end this video before it becomes too incriminating.
Hand job.
But before I do, I have one question for you, Neanderthal. Exactly how much did you spend on the dances today? $200. Well, you heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. The Neanderthal spends his yearly savings for a lap dance.
A mere pittance.
But certainly worth all the trouble. Neanderthal, signing out.